The Kia Sportage is designed with practicality in mind, and one of its handy features is the inclusion of luggage hooks and a luggage net. This accessory is perfect for keeping your items secure and organized while driving, ensuring a safer and more convenient travel experience. First, retrieve the luggage net, which is stored under the cargo floor. Unfold your luggage net and identify the four corners. Each corner of the net will have a hook and a loop designed to attach the points in your trunk. Now observe the corners of the luggage compartment. You will find four attachment points near the floor. You will have to pull them out first before you can use them. Start by attaching the two front hooks of the net to the front attachment points in your trunk. These points are closer to the back seats. Next, stretch the net towards the back of the trunk and attach the two rear hooks to the back attachment points. Make sure the net is tight but not overly stretched. Double check that the four hooks are securely attached and that the net is properly stretched across the trunk. Adjust if necessary to ensure a snug fit. This will help keep your items from shifting around while you're driving, making your trip safer and more organized. You can also attach the net to the back of the cargo area. Attach the middle hooks to the floor. Then attach the loops at the corner of the net to the attachment points located at the back of the taillights. This type of net installation is especially useful when you have a large number of smaller items in the luggage compartment and you don't want them falling out when you open the liftgate. When you no longer need the net, simply unhook it from the attachment points. Close the attachment points to keep them out of the way. Then fold the net and store it in its bag. You can place the bag under the floor of the trunk for easy access next time you need it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more automotive tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.